Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all the students who are there in the class right now. Let's wait for students to join in and then we'll begin with the third marathon free series on Botany Insider. Okay, let's wait for everyone to join and then we'll begin. So we'll be continuing our marathon series, which is a practice series going on our channel for practicing the questions both for the theory part and also for the general aptitude session. So let's start off with our class now. Let's let everyone join. Till then, please confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Quickly confirm this. Then we'll start off with our class now. Okay. Quickly confirm it. Anyone? We have 3 students right now. Very low volume. Okay, let me just check. Hello, 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 hello. Is it audible now? Hello, hello. Is it audible now? Just check, please. It's full from my end. Try to check your end as well, please. Till then, let's start off with our class now. Okay, so before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, we have our own application. Download the app and get yourself enrolled in the number of courses running right now for you all. Most importantly, we have 2 live courses running. First one is this crash course for the June 2023 examination. If you're struggling with structured revision, if you're struggling with structured like how to revise properly, so for that this course would help you out. You'll be getting PYQ hard copies with this particular course itself. In addition, we also have a full course running for the students who are targeting this examination. So this one is a detailed course and over here you'll be getting hard copy notes from our end. Okay, so this was about it. In addition, you can order the notes booklet from separately as well. Just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box and you can easily place your orders. Okay, so this is the very first question for you all. So this particular question is related to lower botany and the question is a match the following type of question. Okay, question is related to that the table given below lists the morphological features and the group of plants. So on one hand you have the liverworts and the mosses, and on the other hand you have the various morphological characters given in front of you. So give it a try to this particular question. I have brought 3 match the following kind of questions today and 2 general aptitude questions which were given as homework yesterday. Okay, so give it a try. On one hand you have liverworts. You need to find out what are the various features and mark it accordingly, and then for the mosses as well you need to mark accordingly. Okay, read the question carefully, get the answer for this particular question now quickly. Everyone, give it a try and then mark the answers in the chat section. Then we'll understand and solve out the question. Okay, and these type of questions do get repeated in the DBT type of examination, in GATE as well. Sometime you get these type of questions. So, and in CSIR for sure, the questions I have taken today are from June 2022. So all the questions are of the latest year. Try to find the answer for this question now. Give it a try. And as and when it's done, do let me know about it. Okay. A, B, other students also give it a try. We have 6 students. Quickly mark the answers, everyone. Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer for this particular question is option number D. That is this option. So liverworts have the first and the fifth property, that is there is presence of unicellular rhizoids and there is presence of dominant gametophyte. And in case of the mosses there is presence of multicellular rhizoids, presence of pyrenoids, and there is stomata on the sporophytes. Okay, so make sure that you remember the basic functions, the basic features of all the organisms, all the lower botany organisms which are, like, it is not clearly mentioned in the CSIR syllabus, but still you can use the previous year question papers as a base for that and make a note of these simple things. Okay, so this is the latest year question, so it's important. First and second, there are chances that in future years also we could get these type of questions, right? Next question in front of you, the question is, some cellular and extracellular proteins are enlisted in table 1 and their typical characteristics are given in the list 2. So in list 1 you have the various proteins, and in the list 2 you have their main or specific general characteristics. It is asked that which of the following is an appropriate match. Give it a try to this question now, everyone. We have 7 students in the class. Please make sure that you're participating. Even if the answer is wrong, absolutely fine, but at least give it a try to the questions. You will understand your mistakes then. Okay, other students mark the answers. Mayank is marking C. Other students also quickly mark the answers. At least give it a try. Okay. Arup is also marking C. Other students? Niharika C. Very good, Niharika. Others also, give it a try. Let's check the answer. The answer for this particular question is yes, option number C. So first we have nidogen, So this is one of the principal structural protein of the basal lamella. Then we have fibronectin. Fibronectin in the human genomes, one gene of this protein is present, but many isoforms are there because of the presence of or because of alternative splicing. Then we have integrins. So integrins are heterodimers of alpha and beta subunits, binds to the extracellular matrix protein. And finally we have vinmestin. So it is an intermediate filament that is typically expressed in the epithelial and the mesenchymal cells. Okay, so very good. All three of you got the answer correct. Very good. Give it a try to the next question now. The question is, on one hand you are given the terms related to in the terms that are used in bioremediation, and on the other hand some of the like main properties of these bioremediation terms are written down. You need to find out which of the column, like you need to find out which are the correct matches for the same. Okay, this is a question from unit number 12. Okay, so now give it a try to this question, everyone. At least try it. It's very simple. If you read the question carefully, you'll easily mark the answers. Okay, so give it a try, everyone. Very good, Mayank. Other students also give it a try to this particular question now. Arup, Niharika, try to find the answer and mark it down in the chat sections. Done? Okay, Arup is marking the answer as A. Others also. At least if you're there in the class, participate in the class. Okay, we have 7 students. At least participate in the class. Even if you get the answer incorrect, absolutely fine, but you should give it a try because it would help you to identify your mistakes. Okay, let's see the answer. Answer for this question is option number D. That means this one. Okay, answer for this particular question is option number D. So bioventing is this the modification of the environmental conditions by adding nutrients in order to enhance the bioremediation process. Sorry, it is answer is option number D. So biostimulation is it? Sorry. D, that is D marked with the fourth one. So biostimulation is modification of the organisms or modification of the complete condition by adding nutrients in order to enhance the degradation process. Then you have C marked with second, that is air spraying. So it is a technique for adding the oxygen to the saturated zone below the water table in order to stimulate the degradation. Then we have second marked with first one, that is natural attenuation. It is indigenous levels of the contaminated degradation without any treatment. See, it is saying natural and on attenuation. So natural means that we are not adding on anything, and if you mark B with the first one, you can eliminate B and C very easily, right? And then you can like read it properly and get, like, then you'll be having 50% chances of getting the answer correct, right? So accordingly try to solve the questions. Last one is bioventing. So bioventing is that it is a technique to add oxygen directly to the site of contamination in an unsaturated zone, which stimulates in situ aerobic degradation. Okay, so this is what it is all about. Answer is option number 4. Now this was a homework question given to you yesterday. Even if you have not done it as an homework, give it a try to this question. Question is, a family of mother, father, daughter, son and his wife pose for a photograph occupying a sequential position. That means they are sitting in this particular manner, in a sequential A, B, C, D, E manner. Spouses are sitting next to each other and the daughter is sitting next to her mother. Okay, it is saying that if E is the son, which of the following is necessarily true? You need to find out that according to the conditions given in front of you, you need to find out of the 4 options given to you, which of them is necessarily true. That means in every condition this particular condition would be true. So give it a try to this question now. Try to solve this question, everyone. Give it a try to this question now. It's very simple. If you take in all the pointers given to you, you will easily mark the answers. Okay, give it a try. Spouse means the husband and wife. Okay, so a married couple is like a partner is a spouse. So this is what it is all about. Give it a try to this question. It's simple. Okay, Mayank is marking the answer as B. Other students also mark the answers quickly. Give it a try. Done, everyone? It's very simple. If you analyze it properly, you'll get it. Okay, Niharika is marking the answer as C. Others? Okay, so let's try out now. Okay, so see, the question is saying that there is a family in which there are 5 people, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so you have 5 people, A, B, C, D and E. All of them are sitting in a sequential manner. Okay, if they are sitting in sequential manner, next thing told is that the spouses are sitting next to each other. Spouses sitting next to each other means what? That means D and E are a spouse, like they are a married couple. Why? Because it is saying E is occupied by son. So this person is a son. If E is son, so, and they are all sitting in a sequential manner. What does this mean? That this would be for sure the wife of the son, right? So they both are husband and wife. Then the point comes that next is like, which is the next married couple? It could either be AB, it could either be B or C, right? It cannot be A and C because the spouses are sitting together. If A and B is sitting together, sorry, if A and B are married couple, then C is the daughter, right? But there is one more scenario. Second scenario is that there are chances that B and C could be husband and wife, that this could be mother and father. So in this particular case, A is for sure the daughter. So the daughter could either be A, the daughter could either be C. But in both the scenarios, B would be occupied by the mother itself, right? So we can say that B is occupied by mother. This is for sure. See, let's go option by option. It is saying D is occupied by daughter. Incorrect. Very wrong, because it is the wife. C is occupied by daughter. No, it could either be occupied by the father as well. Again incorrect. A is occupied by father. No, it could be occupied. C could also be occupied by father. But this is for sure in every condition that B would be occupied by mother, because we have one more confirmation that the daughter is sitting next to her mother. If in case of A and B, so B and C, if this is the daughter, B is the mother. In the other condition, if B and C is husband and wife, so B is for sure mother, then only we can call A as the daughter. Why? Because we have a confirmation that B and that mother and the daughter would be sitting together. Okay, so the answer for this question is option number B. Mayank got the correct answer. Very good, Mayank. Let's move on to the next question, which was given to you as homework. Before that, is this question clear to all of you, like Niharika and Arup? You have given the answer incorrect. I hope this concept is now clear to you. And this was a latest year question, and time and again these analytical questions, these analysis based questions are asked in the examinations. Okay, so make sure that you are keeping a note of all these type of questions. Okay, I hope it is clear. Very good. Let's move forward now. Now this was the next question which was given to you as homework. The question says that a trim cost 2/3 as much as a haircut, but twice as much as shaving. So you have haircut, you have shaving, and you have trimming being there, right? Now it is saying that if a man gets trimming 4 times, he shaves once a month, and then it is saying that the frequency of his haircut for the cost of the haircut to be equal to that of shaving and trimming combined is which of them? Give it a try to this question. If you read the question carefully and if you take the cost with a specific number, like you can assume any specific number and then give it a try to this question, you'll for sure get the answer very, very easily. Okay, so everyone give it a try to this question now, and then we'll solve it out together. We have 6 students in the class. Give it a try, then we'll solve out. Take your time and get the question done. Give it a try, everyone. Just assume a specific cost of which you can take 1/3 and of which you can take twice easily. Like you can double the number easily and you can 1/3 the number easily, and then give it a try. You'll get it for sure. B, okay. Others also give it a try. Quickly. It's a simple question. You'll get it very easily. You just need to understand the question once. done. Let's give it a try now. Okay, so the question is saying that the cost of the trim, that the trim cost is 2/3 as much as haircut but twice as much as shaving. So let's take the haircut cost at a specific number and then let's try it out. So let's say, because we have to get 2/3 of something, so let's take a very simple thing. Let's take the haircut cost be rupees 30, because getting 2/3 of that and getting other values would be easier. What would be 2/3 of 30? It would be 20, because 30 is made up of 3 proportions, 10, 10 and 10. We need to get 2/3, 2 by 3 of 30. It is 20. So trim cost 2/3 as much as haircut but twice as shaving. So shaving is costing how much? Because trimming is 20, so shaving would be 10 rupees, right? Because trimming is costing twice as shaving. So shaving is costing 10 rupees. Now the question is very simple. You can get a answer in a second. It is saying that if a man gets trimming 4 times, that is, he is getting trimming 4 times, means he is using 80 rupees. Shaves once a month, that means 10 rupees over here. The frequency of the haircut for the cost of the haircut to be equal to that of trimming and shaving combined. So trimming and shaving combined is 90 rupees. Haircut cost was 30. So what should be the frequency? The frequency should be 3 times a month. Very, very simple question. That's the reason why I was saying, if you take a very simple example, very simple like basic value for this, you can easily reach to the answer very, very easily. Okay, answer for this question is 3 times a month. Is it clear to you? Arup, very good, you got the answer correct. And Mayank, I guess now your doubt is cleared and now you will be able to solve such type of questions easily. Okay, so these were the questions for today. Answer is option number D. These were the questions for today. Thank you for joining in. We'll be having one more class tomorrow now in this marathon, in the next this marathon week. Okay, so now tomorrow we'll be solving out few more questions, so make sure that you join in on time. And also, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and also download the app from the iOS and also from the Android. This course is available for you all. It's a crash course which you can use to revise structurally. Okay, in addition, you can also order the notes booklet if you wish to revise things easily and if you wish to have a very consolidated resource material for yourself. So this particular notes booklet would help you out. Okay, so thank you for joining in. Let's meet tomorrow. Take care and study well. Bye everyone.